The hearing was underway in the Supreme Court, but the Supreme Court has turned down Tarun Tejpal's plea. This was for in-camera proceedings as far as the sexual assault case goes. We're now given to understand that Supreme Court has turned down the plea by Tarun Tejpal, where he was seeking in-camera hearing of the appeal that was filed by the Goa government against his acquittal. So a big blow there coming to the fore as far as in-camera proceedings go. Proceedings will be on as usual, and details of which will keep coming out as and when those hearings take place. Tarun Tejpal, former boss of Terry, was accused of sexual assault. He was acquitted by a lower court. The Goa government had challenged his acquittal. That hearing is now at the door of the Supreme Court. Ananya, my colleague, now joins me for more on this. Ananya, in-camera proceedings is what Tarun Tejpal wanted. That has been now denied.
Well, definitely, Poonam, this is a case, you remember, the state of Goa had been banking upon. It was an appeal filed against a Goa court order which had acquitted Tarun Tejpal into this case. And in an application that was filed by Tarun Tejpal, he had sought that the Goa government's appeal challenging that particular, acquittal shall be heard in camera is what Tejpal had sought. But the Supreme Court actually turned down this petition. Remember that this appeal is also filed before the Supreme Court, and that's the reason why Tejpal had knocked the doors of the Supreme Court. But then, as you see, this has now been turned down by the court of law, and definitely it's a big setback for Tarun Tejpal. Poonam.
Right, big setback there coming to the fore from the Supreme Court for Tarun Tejpal. For the moment, thank you so much for getting us the latest.